Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the clip so the original stays intact, then place the copy on a new track. This gives you non-destructive control. Next, set the sequence to match the clip frame size and reduce playback to 1/2 if needed to keep smooth scrub. Open Lumetri Color and use basic correction right away. Adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, and whites to get midtones and edge definition visible. This first pass reveals what detail you actually have to recover. Once basic levels are set, you move into sharpening and removing haze. Apply contrast with curves to tighten edges. That improves perceived sharpness without adding artifacts. Then add sharpen. Keep amount around 20 to 40 and a low radius because higher values create halos. If sharpen adds noise, switch to unsharp mask for more control or apply a light temporal noise reduction before heavy sharpening. Make small, repeated adjustments and toggle the effect to compare. That's how you avoid. To finish, render the edited region for true playback and inspect at 100% zoom because previews can lie. If softness is localized, create a mask, track it, and apply sharpening only there so the rest retains natural texture. Export a short PRORS or H.264 test to confirm results. If you see halos or noise, reduce the sharpen amount, try a milder radius, or add a tiny blur before selective sharpening. This trades harsh artifacts for a cleaner, more believable image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.